Young people possess the vision, passion, and the human capital necessary to tackle the pressing challenges of climate and biodiversity. Unfortunately, they often lack the essential skills, resources, mentorship, and platforms to experiment and implement their solutions. This hinders them from fully realizing their potential as leaders and experts in their space. It is against this backdrop that Youth for Nature was established with a mission to break systemic and system-wide barriers of knowledge and access that hinder young people from effectively leading on solutions to the challenges of nature and climate. The organization has shown great precedence on this endeavor at the global stage. This includes through our global ambassadors, support fund initiative, storytelling campaigns, award and micro-granting, global story map for impact communicating, and sponsorship to international conferences. To crown all these endeavors, the launch of INUKA became the first time the organization is bringing this concerted effort locally at the grassroots.
I have seen INUKA grow from its inception, and I'm glad that after several months of planning and conceptualization, finally we have a project that is kicking off the ground.
I'm so happy for the program because it is a nature-based solutions program, and it is part of what we do at Friends of Undiri.
I work for Big Ship organization, and Big Ship has a mission of promoting sustainable development by empowering communities through environmental programs where we work mostly in conserving the marine ecosystem.
I work for Nature and People as One, and we are found in Marsabit. Basically what we do, we are doing dry land restoration. And
from the look of things, this project is going to be a very awesome one, and it's a privilege to be part of it.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Educate, equip, establish.
INUKA Afrika.
Nature-based solutions by Youth with You.
Na INUKA imefika sasa.
Tuinuke sasa, tuinuke sasa.
INUKA was launched on the 20th of March 2023 at Planet One's Ubunifu hub in Nairobi, which also hosted our offices here in Kenya. This hub isn't just a space. It is a catalyst for change, offering a free, fully equipped office and a dynamic platform for youth to converge, share ideas, and bring solutions to life.
Some of the offers that we usually have here is Ubunifu learning series. We train on 3 major pillars, that is climate justice, advocacy, and innovation. So all these 3 come together, and there's another part called youth empowerment and engagement, because our mode of teaching is learning by doing. We just don't teach theory, and I believe all of you guys in your spaces who have seen, like in Mombasa, Marsabit, and all those places, you're not just learning by just like learning the theory part, or you're also doing practical part of it. So you have a practical part of it. The second one, we have a bookable space, so you can book this space for free for you to come and hold your meetings. For those who are in Undiri, so this is a place for you, a little bit simbali sana. Sindio? I'm really happy to see that INUKA is launching, to be honest. I think I've been having this conversation with Kaluki for the past several months, and now it's becoming. And I'm really hoping that we're gonna see beautiful stories out of these, and I really wish you guys all the best.
Youth-led and youth-focused, Ubunifu Hub is a clear demonstration of the boundless capabilities of young people and the challenges that they need addressed to realize their full potential.
INUKA Afrika. When I say Africa, you see what?
INUKA.
At our launch event, stakeholders from diverse settings including Youth for Nature's global support team, youth beneficiaries, project staff, media mavens, partners, trainers, environmentalists, and more gathered to witness the birth of something transformative.
The GYBN Youth for Nature Partnership has been running for a number of years now, and the nature-based solutions project that we are working on, or Paul has been working on hard, is part of the outcomes of this relationship. And I'm happy to see that Youth for Nature has taken this far. We are happy for the youth groups that are going to be trained and engaged in this project. And I can't wait to see what the future years carry for us and for Youth for Nature. So congratulations, Paul and the team, for all the beautiful work that you're putting in. And we are happy to be here. We're happy to support.
I'm very amazed and impressed by this project, and that youths have come out for action to lead in the restoration and the nature agenda. My prayer is that you rise up just like INUKA means, rise up to the occasion. You have the ability, you have the power. We will give you the support that you need, but the key thing is never be suppressed by the imagination that you can't do anything. You can do anything you want to make the world a better place.
Youth for Nature has been working on these nature-based solutions, trying to create pilot, the best narrative, the best implementation strategy, just to make sure that we are thinking of these solutions in the same way, and there is no co-optation, there is not forced solutions that are implemented around the world. So through this INUKA, there will be a lot of things to be learned from young people, that young people are not just working on the policy, young people are not just talking, but young people are doing the right thing even on the ground. And I'm very proud of it. Youth for Nature is proud of this project, and thank you so much everyone for joining us around the world, wherever you're joining us from. And of course, let's make INUKA a reality, and this is going to be based on you, me, and everyone to make this a reality, to showcase what young people are doing on the ground, that we are not talkers, we are also doers, and we are implementing actions all over the world.
As young people, we're very instrumental in tackling the climate crisis and also providing these nature-based solutions. We are often left out because we are made to look like we're very erratic, we're very immature, and we don't know what's happening. But we are also the present, not just the future. And so this pilot project is such a great platform for us to learn from you, and also for us to amplify your stories and be able to change the narrative that is associated with young people, that we cannot provide solutions to the problems that we're facing. In Kenya, a lot of times we have great visionaries, great leaders who become very strong in their fields, but then after a long period of time of them working, when they finally retire or when they take a break, there is no one left to fill those steps. So let's really try and walk this journey with recruiting younger people, visiting high schools, empowering people, sharing our stories on our personal platforms, not just the INUKA platform, so that we can all walk together on this journey.
I'm excited to hear the stories and support the making of these stories however way I can. Like Paul said, you can't put climate justice and nature as two separate entities. I think both of them are intertwined. So I'm excited to see all these amazing youth groups that are making the difference in their countries, and amplify that work, because like we said, we don't want people telling the stories on our behalf. We want them to, we want to tell our own stories.
There's a saying that says that the faintest of pencils is sharper than the sharpest mind. When it comes to documenting, we are here to safeguard the critical information that you guys are passing around. Our biggest role here is to make sure that the knowledge circulating here, this wealth of knowledge, is well documented so that we can be able to share the information further. Another request from us is kindly let us know how best we can tell your stories.
Stage set and the energy palpable. A memorable journey was about to unfold.
Excited that we finally got to deliver the launch for INUKA, and excited about the future that we are going to set in for youth in conservation, in restoration. And I can't really wait to see what this means for the youth beneficiaries and what this means for communities that are doing conservation and restoration projects. I hope to also really engage with them on storytelling and really getting the impact communicated across the world.
We just look forward to use the IUCN standard and a few of perhaps storytelling and microfinancing to see how best we can help scale up their initiatives, and also just empower them to lead on the solutions that they are already implementing on the ground. As nature climate leader, of course, this forming part of a cornerstone movement that the youth are building and showcasing that indeed, given opportunities, resources and a platform, they're able to put tangible and sustainable solutions forward, and that indeed they're leaders to nature and climate challenges.
My expectation for this INUKA project is to ensure that we raise the voices of the young people, especially the grassroots young people who are working in conserving our environment and also supporting the climate change agenda.
What I look forward to is the opportunity for us to express what the communities are going through, to showcase the different ways that communities are working to help them adapt to the impacts of climate change and to also boost environmental conservation. I also look forward to being equipped with the skills necessary to continue helping communities and even raise younger generations of conservationists. So I'm privileged and I'm glad to be part of this project.
My hope for INUKA project is to upscale the project towards Africa as a whole, and also to impact and inspire the youth who will be involved in the project to learn new skills, to also establish them as leaders in the climate action, and also to impact more storytelling stories to inspire other youth across the country to do more conservation work. We are ready to begin the journey, finally, since INUKA has launched, and we can't wait to do more change in Kenya.
I do hope that everyone can tag along the journey and seeing how we can be part of this program that we are setting up, and really getting to support the youth who are doing the amazing work on the ground and supporting the resources they need to be able to scale up the solutions for nature, for their communities and for livelihood.
Post-launch, and guided by the INUKA Nature-Based Solutions curriculum, the project team and youth beneficiaries immediately embarked on their inaugural mission, NBS 101, in the vibrant coastal city of Mombasa. Curious about what NBS 101 entails and why Mombasa was chosen? Please be on the lookout for our next episode. Also, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, share, and engage us on our social media handles at INUKA Africa _.